Are you in charge of safety for local government or local councils? Are you in charge of ensuring that people and plant interactions don't happen and that you reduce injuries? If the answer to that question is yes, you need to attend our open day in Glendenning next Wednesday. We have a council and government only open day around our AI safety camera technology that we can fit on all different types of plant, be it forklifts, be it all different types of earth moving equipment. It doesn't matter what it is, we can fit it. AI safety will put a designated area around a machine. If someone enters that zone, there is an external warning to tell them to move out. If they continue into that zone, we can stop the machine before injury occurs. If you're in charge of safety at local council and government, come to our open day next Wednesday. You have to register. The link's on this video. Register online. We're going to have 9 machines in field around our yard here. You're going to see exactly how AI safety will guarantee people and plant interaction injuries do not occur in your council. Be a leader, not a follower. We'll see you next Wednesday.